bar avec la cuisine et tout. Les gays. J'ai même un balcon. Je suis bar. Je suis choquée. Seoul was a pretty city, a good place to be, and had so many memories there. And I miss a lot of my friends, but I also wanted to see new things, to explore new city, and I was so happy being in Busan. Like, that was incredible, and I wish I stayed longer. And this city was so relaxing, and I know some of y'all know that I love countryside, and Busan was giving me that countryside vibes. It was giving me some peaceful, and I can recharge myself since I've been in a long ass trip. Not this movie. That day I wanted to get slow, like a chill day, and just see how the city is, explore. And I walk a lot, so I was starving and I was struggling opening that. How do you call that? Onigiri? I don't even know. But it was pretty good, and I just wanted to relax since I did a lot of things in Seoul. I didn't do that much things because I didn't want to like overdo stuff and like going out like I did in Seoul. I wanted to like explore and see what they have, what this thing have to offer to me, and I found a cute little place on my way back at home, and this restaurant was my favorite one. I've been staying there. That restaurant was pretty good and the stuff was amazing. I'm suggesting you. I am back at the hotel because today was like I was just walking around to see what is going on in the city, and I think it's pretty cute here. Okay, you have all the chopsticks and everything like that. There is one chopsticks inside of this. Where is the other one? This is the sauce. It's pretty hot. So we have the eggs and all that kind of stuff. I don't even know what the hell is that. Like, I just wanted something without pork in it. This is all I got from Daiso. I really like the place that I'm staying at. It's pretty beautiful, really calm, nearby everything. I feel like this is the place I want to stay in uni. Like, this is my dream. This is my kind of dream apartment for uni. It's not too big and not too small. It's the perfect size. You have everything. Everything is gonna like functional. See you tomorrow. Bye. This is the outfit of the day. Pretty basic, but I'm back at my place. It's not even my place. I feel like if I could live somewhere, I might live here. I don't know. I was on my iPad and I opened TikTok, you know? So I was like, oh, let me check TikTok for some types, because I decided that maybe I should learn a little bit of Korean, because 안녕하세요, 감사합니다, 진짜, and 여보세요 is not enough for a trip. But bitch, I'm living in 7 days, so that's not really necessary, but who cares? I opened my TikTok and look what I found. Like, just open it. And this video came out of nowhere. The guy replied, I am from Thailand, like his country, his home country. And I was like wondering, why he's saying that. And I have so little comment over here saying, I'm looking for my Korean husband. What the hell? Like, come on. And I was like, let me check, because hopefully it's not my people. She's my people. Be ashamed of yourself. Yeah, bye. Ouais, bon appétit. Tu me vois en train de manger là? Espèce d'un pouilly, ton cerveau il est dans ton cul, quoi? Alors que je suis vraiment en train de manger. C'est la meilleure invention en fait. Le riz. Qui a inventé le riz? Le riz ça vient de Chine, non? Je vois que le riz ça vient de Chine. Attendez. On va demander à Siri quand même, on va pas être les racistes du coin quand même. Les incultes, le riz ça vient vraiment de Chine. Let's try making some coffee, okay? First of all, we need a cup. Since I'm here, it's the first time that I'm trying, how do you say that? How do you say that? Tteokbokki? And it's even not in a restaurant, like I'm eating from, oh my god. I saw a TikTok talking about that area in Busan. There is a lot of cute stuff and the shops are really pretty. I feel like Korea have this aesthetic and they are doing great with it, so I was pretty impressed. And then I decided to go back because I was getting tired and my friend was coming.
Paparazzi, Papa. So we are hanging out with her kids. So what is the name of your two kids? Let's talk about your twins.
My twins. This one's Pyeongchang.
Pyeongchang
And this one's Sue.
Sue.
Pyeongchang and Sue.
Pyeongchang. Korea, explain to me how you feel.
It's so white. Oh my god.
That's an LA girl. LA girl.
Oh my gosh, like, do you see this? Representing LA in Busan. My home. Choose whatever you want. It's on me. It's on my daddy.
Have a
We do
shirt
this.
about Notre Dame.
We have a fantasy.
Why? Your skin is fabulous.
Thank you. Your skin is
We are in
Nampo.
Nampo, walking to the restaurant, and it's like countryside vibes. And you have to copy.
Like a boulevard, starting again until the end. Only when you're paying attention.
I got this for my little sisters, like some photo cards of Blackpink and New Jeans.
But you can't swim. No way.
Maybe this is cute. This is cute. School
what's
The blue one, how the blue one goes?
the one? This one? Tennis?
This one? I don't know. Which one do you prefer?
She was giving everything. She was so kind, so pretty. Oh my god, I got something from her shop. So pretty. I've been spending so much money in this trip, but who cares?
Who cares? Who cares? You're here to spend money.
Yeah, it's daddy money.
Let me ask you some questions.
Hi.
Hi, Bob. 73 questions with Aura. Okay, let's start. What's your morning routine?
I always woke up kind of early, open the windows and everything like that, and then most of the time I'm just taking my little coffee from Starbucks, and then I'm going to head back home, and I do some journaling to plan my days and manifest the good vibes.
Okay.
And after that, I'm just doing some yoga.
Guys, please wish that my wallet's in the hotel room.
It's in the hotel room, I swear. What is
영도? 영도구?
Yeongdogu. The flowers are so pretty. Vlogging?
Are we vlogging?
Homage.
Come now, don't fight it. Once that tea get home now, try it, or till you feel to slow down. Hiding, or till the love will turn round. Hiding, hiding.
Wow, it looks
So pretty. This is basically my last day in Korea, and I will fly tomorrow. I have to leave kind of early because I have to go to the tax refund. On va manger du bingsu. Ah, so excited.
Regarde les yeux. Je prends tous les angles. De la mangue partout. Bon appétit.
Tu montres aussi là.
Kenchana. Bye bye. Ok, là je viens juste de revenir. Du coup, petit haul. J'ai acheté un sac poubelle. Parce qu'en fait, du coup, ici ils font des ranges, ils font le tri, mais genre ça rend le tri, tu vois. J'ai acheté du riz parce qu'aujourd'hui en fait j'ai pas trop faim, du coup bah j'avais acheté ça. En fait c'est pour la cicatrisation de mon tatouage. J'ai acheté ça. C'est un nettoyant, il y en a 2 dedans. Il y en a un pour moi et un pour ma grande soeur parce que elle me l'a demandé. J'ai pris ça, un truc pour les lèvres. Ça. Parce qu'en fait j'ai déjà genre l'huile nettoyante mais j'ai pas de gel nettoyant. Et j'ai pris un masque comme ça pour ma soeur. Enfin on en a toutes les deux un, genre j'ai pris ça. Le truc c'est que je sais pas, après parce que moi je suis pas trop skincare, donc en fait je suis vraiment la pire personne à qui demander de la skincare. Mais j'espère que ça lui plaira, parce que après je lui ai acheté d'autres trucs. Ma pote elle m'a acheté ça, elle m'a dit tu goûtes ça, du coup je vais goûter ça dans 2 jours, genre ouais, parce que je suis pas trop alcool en ce moment.
Une exception.
Ok, je dois partir maintenant, partir à l'aéroport. Tout. J'ai vraiment une phobie, c'est de rater l'avion. C'est parti. De nouvelles aventures m'attendent. J'espère que j'ai rien oublié. Ça va trop me manquer ici. Busan va trop me manquer. Et je vous jure, je sais pas pourquoi, mais Busan va trop me manquer. Mais let's go. L'aventure Busan se termine tout de suite. Bye Busan. Vous savez, je viens d'oublier quoi? Je viens d'oublier mon parapluie.